In this guide for teachers, we'll talk about how CC can simplify collaboration routines so that teachers can co-plan and review exemplary plans from their colleagues. We'll also focus on how SPED, ESOL, and Gen Ed teachers can strengthen their planning routines. As a bit of pre-work, you'll want to be sure that you've set up an account and that you've created your first plan book. If you haven't done that, take a look at our CC for Teachers video on Planbook setup. This guide also assumes that you're connected with your colleagues through a CC Pro for Schools account. In this guide, we'll focus on various use cases for shared plan books. We'll talk about co-teaching situations, ESOL, SPED, and Gen Ed collaboration, as well as contained classrooms where teachers divide the work with each teacher creating plans for one subject area. So let's get started. If you work with co-teachers, you can create a shared plan book and complete all of your lessons together. To do this, you can click Create a Plan Book, set it up with your classes, schedule, and templates, and then share the plan book with your co-teacher. You can do this by clicking Sharing and Class Website, selecting Collaborate with an Individual, entering your co-teacher's school email address, and choosing how you'd like to share your plan book. Similarly, this process is an excellent solution when ESOL or SPED teachers co-plan or provide push-in, pull-out for a Gen Ed teacher. When a general educator shares editing access, ESOL and SPED teachers can add in daily accommodations, student-specific modifications, as well as provide links or attachments to differentiated assignments or practice sets. Shared plan books also streamline planning routines for contained classrooms. Let's imagine an elementary school where 5 instructors have their own contained classrooms. Though each instructor is responsible for teaching all subjects, these teachers can use one shared plan book to divide the work. After creating a single plan book with every different class, we'll say math, science, ELA, and social studies, a teacher can share the plan book with their colleagues and divide up lesson creation for each subject. The result is that teachers can lean into their content expertise and they can reduce their planning time, which leads to higher quality lessons and stronger facilitation in the day-to-day. And there you have it. Using CC for collaboration is a great way to unite with your co-teachers, cut down on planning time, and learn from the strengths and the experience of more veteran colleagues.